Fill your head if you want to fill your pocket. Back in 2021, I was 21 years of age actually. One of my goals was to grow my income stream. And one way I thought I could actually use to grow my income stream was investing in cryptocurrencies.
I mean, first of all, I think people should not invest their life savings in cryptocurrency.
I started to fill my head and I started doing research to find the best course to buy in order to understand cryptocurrencies before investing. And that was when I made the decision of buying Chris Annie's Trade and Make Money course hosted on Daba School. If you're a business owner, an individual, it's not about to actually grow your income stream. In fact, one of the reasons you might be watching this video is because you're looking at buying Chris Annie's course, or probably you want to understand the investment journey of a 21 years old so that you can actually have your own investment journey, which is not bad. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Trade and Make Money course by Chris Annie. I'll go through many things. My name is Micah Irumaka, and right here on my YouTube channel I make videos around business, personal finance and tech. If this interests you, do yourself a favor or do me a favor by smashing the like button so that this video can be recommended to more people, and also hit the subscribe button, guys. It's free of charge. They're not going to charge you sheshe. Just hit the subscribe button. 15 hours, they're not going to charge you. So hit the subscribe button. Without much talk, let's dive right into today's video. Let's go. So we're basically going through the course outline, what the course promises to teach you if you decide to actually buy the course or not. I'll let you know whether I made money after buying the course. After all, the name of the course is Trade and Make Money. I'll also give you my opinion on Chris Annie, whether Chris Annie is a scammer or whether he's legit. So I encourage you to watch this particular video to the end so you can get the full So we are basically going to be going to my Daba School dashboard in order for us to go through the course outline of the Trade and Make Money course by Chris Annie. When you log into your Daba School dashboard, this is the page you're welcomed in with. As you can see, I've been able to complete 100% of my Trade and Make Money class. Well, in order for us to resume this class, you have to click on the resume button, and then you get access to a main page where you can now take your course on the Trade and Make Money. There are about 20 lessons in the Trade and Make Money course. The first lesson you're definitely going to be taking is the introduction class. In this introduction class, Chris Annie basically walks you through all the whole lessons he's going to cover in the Trade and Make Money course. And there are about 20 lessons, like I said earlier. After the introduction class, you go to the second lesson is the crypto asset classification. Here, because Annie basically teaches you the different classes of cryptocurrency. You have the utility token, you have the meme token, and you have other kinds of different classes of cryptocurrency. So it basically educates you on the different classes of the cryptocurrency. The third thing you're basically going to learn is the Satoshi value. Here, Chris Annie teaches you how to calculate your Bitcoin. So if you have 0.0000901 Bitcoin, Chris Annie teaches you how to know what your Bitcoin is worth in this Satoshi value class. Then he also teaches you how to make use of coin market cap. I want to let you know that the first aspect of this course is more about fundamental analysis, teaching you how to make research, how to make use of the Binance app. As you can see, after the how to use coin market cap, the fifth lesson is going to teach you is how to make use of Binance Exchange. Binance is basically an app, if you don't know, that you use to purchase cryptocurrency, and you can also use it to trade cryptocurrency. And it's one of the biggest crypto exchange you have in the whole world in terms of trading volume. As of 2021, $2 trillion worth of crypto was traded on the Binance app, so they're the biggest in the whole world. Sixth lesson he's going to teach you is how to register your Binance account and set up two-factor authentication. So it's one thing to set up your Binance account, and it's one thing to secure your Binance account. So it's very important that no matter the crypto wallet or crypto exchange platform you decide to sign up to, it's very important that you secure your crypto wallet, because in the crypto world, it's easy to get hacked. It's easy for your cryptocurrency to be lost. So it basically teaches you how to protect your crypto account in this sixth lesson. And Chris Annie teaches you how to deposit and withdraw on the Binance app. So once you download the Binance app, or once you start taking this course, it teaches you how to purchase your first Bitcoin using the Binance app. It also teaches you how to set your stop loss on Binance. So stop loss is basically, let me say you purchase Bitcoin and the cost is $50,000, and maybe your goal is, if the thing reaches $55,000, you sell for profit. But what if the market goes down? So your stop loss is basically if Bitcoin should go below 49,000 naira, the Binance app should automatically sell your Bitcoin. So that's how to set your stop loss. So Chris Anne teaches you how to set your stop loss on Binance Exchange. Now you now have this 9th lesson, which is the how to set an order cancel order, which is OCO on Binance. It teaches you that as well. Then he now goes, the 10th lesson, he now goes in depth on fundamental analysis. And as you can see in this particular lesson, is a 25.7 seconds, 25 minutes, 0.7 seconds lesson. So it's a little bit, it's in depth. I'm not saying it's a little bit in depth, it's actually in depth, because this first from lesson 1 to lesson 10 is more about fundamental analysis. They now have the technical analysis aspect of the course, which is what lesson 11 to lesson 13 and 14 covers. But basically, it's from lesson 11 to lesson 13. It goes in depth on technical analysis. And as you can see, the first technical analysis lesson is 16 minutes long. The second one is 21 minutes long. The third one is 34 minutes long. And then the fourth one is 45 minutes long. So if you combine all these lessons together on technical analysis, is almost more than 1 hour. So that just to tell you that the technical analysis aspect of the course is in depth. But you also need to be willing to put in your own work, apart from just learning the technical analysis of the trade and make money course. So you now have the candlestick pattern. This is also a technical analysis, and it's very, very important in terms of if you're trading forex, if you're trading cryptocurrency, understanding candlestick pattern is very, very important. So Chris Anne actually teaches that in his course, as you can see here. And the first candlestick pattern lesson is 19 minutes long, and the second one is 40 minutes long. It's almost 1 hour long as well. So this is also technical analysis. So you have around 2 hours worth of technical analysis lesson going over how to do your technical analysis in order for you to spot the right coins to buy. Then after you go to the candlestick pattern lesson, you now have the 30 wisdom points for traders and investors. So Chris Anne in this particular lesson goes through some of the important things you need to understand in terms of trading cryptocurrencies, and this particular one is just 16 minutes long. What you need to know is that just after buying the course, you will not just get access only to these lessons. You also get access to a crypto signal group where he basically drops signals and make some calls. And one thing I love about his group is that he gets to also teach that, because there are some people that when they enter into the crypto world, they want to just make quick cash, but he drops some lessons on some of the important things you need to know in regards to taking your profit and other wonderful stuff. So that's why one of the reasons I actually love his course. You get access to the signal group after buying the course, and most of the signals have done well. Like I told you, I'm going to give you my opinion whether I made money after buying the trade and make money course. So these are the things his course basically covers. Now back to me. You guys want to know whether I made money after buying Chris Anne's trade and make money course and investing in the crypto market. At the moment, my portfolio is actually down. After buying Chris Anne's course, I decided to start my crypto journey with $150. Yes, I don't want to take much risk or putting my family's money or my life savings into cryptocurrency. But I just started with $150. It's not much, but my portfolio is actually down when I started. As of now, I mean to say, because the crypto market is down, Bitcoin is down. But when I purchased his course, after some while, after taking the course and buying some coins he dropped in the group, which are some signals he dropped in the group, my portfolio rose after a period of time. I think my portfolio was up to $300. So I doubled my investment, or my investment in cryptocurrency. I actually doubled it. But after a while, I didn't sell. I didn't take profit, which is very, very important. Chris Anne always preaches about taking profit. I didn't take profit. So I thought the thing was still going to rise more. As a newbie, you want to make 10x, 100x, 1000x. So I didn't take profit, and my coins went back down. And at the moment, I'm bleeding because the crypto market is actually down. So I actually made some money after buying his course, but at the moment my portfolio is down because the crypto market is down. Now the big question is Chris Anne a scammer or not? Chris Annie is not a scammer. I want to really appreciate Chris Annie. It's rare you see someone whose goal in life or whose mission in life is to impact people and actually help people gain financial freedom, which is the goal of Daba School. And one awesome thing I actually like about Daba School or about Chris Annie is that apart from just buying his course, almost at the beginning of every year or at the end of every year, Chris Annie gets to drop an audio note that is value packed, that he motivates you, be like, let's go, let's conquer the year. So that's one awesome thing I like about Chris Annie. And if you buy his course, he's also going to respect you because he believes that you bringing out some money to actually buy his course means you want to change your life, and he's also going to respect you. There are other wonderful courses on Daba School. I purchased another one called Affiliate Marketing. If you guys want me to do a review on the affiliate marketing course by Chibuezemicahe, leave a comment and I'll consider doing that. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to buy the Trade and Make Money course by Chris Annie, a link will be in the description. Use my affiliate link, guys. I really be count on you just to encourage me, use my affiliate link, or just to thank me for making this review video. Use my affiliate link so I can gain some commission. They're not going to charge you extra. It's like they're not going to charge you extra. So use my affiliate link. I make videos around business, personal finance, and tech. And if that interests you, like I always say, do not forget to smash the like and subscribe button. With that being said, guys, see you on the next one. They will know.